Today it's time to paint the front bumper. I'll go on with this grey Q7. It's mercury grey. We will take one light coat just to get it sticky. Then we will go over everything again. And I think I will do these big holes here from the back side just to take, just to reach everywhere. It looks really good. Next up is this fake ventilation. Fake vents. It would be nice to have some cool camera shots close up here, but that will destroy the camera, so I can't do that. Try to get every corner very carefully here. This is to remove all dust or small particles that can be left on here. And one thing that is very important when you do some paint job, it's to clean the underside. So you don't have air pushing up some dirt on the inside of your parts. As usual, we take a light coat first, then a heavier one. It's hard to spray this upper part here because the spray can will suck air when I tilt it too much, especially when it's almost empty like now. So I spray some parts down and then take 1 or 2 steps on the upper part. Then I have to tilt it down again to get the paint to come out from the spray can. Now we'll let this dry for a couple of minutes, then I will go over the whole bumper once more. This light helped me a lot. It's easier to see where I got the wet paint. Now when I have a fresh paint can, I will take the top first, because I can tilt the can really much without it sucking air. The next step is to masking off, where the body kit goes from grey to red. And I really want a straight line. It looks easy to get a straight line, but the body kit is curved and the tape will not go in a straight line if it's curved. So you have to be really careful how to lay the tape here. It took a couple of tries to get it right where I want it. First I make sure the body kit is in the right position. Then we do the same procedure on this one. And this car has 2 sides, so we have to do the same thing on this side too. Now when we have marked the right position, we can take them off the car and mask them. And the same thing on the next one. Over and over till all of them is done. I don't know if this is the right thing to do, but I'm gonna take this gray paint and paint over the tape to seal the tape line. Then I'm going to paint everything red, because this part should be red. But we start with the gray and see what's happened. Now this has to dry for a couple of minutes. I think we leave it like that and hope for the best. The painting went very well. It has dried now, and I even peeled off the tape on this tape line here. I did that like 20 minutes after I painted this. But now we're going to take off all the other thing here so we can see what's under. All this is going to be covered by the clear coat, but I will take the clear coat later. But right now it's starting to be a lot of overspray dust on the floor, and I don't want to do any clear coat with all this overspray dust on the floor. So I think I will go on with the car. It's over here. I think I will grind down all this, because that will create even more dust. And then we can clean the garage again. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment. That's always nice. Bye bye.